everybody, welcome back to ShootersLane.com this week. My name is Matt Laird, the owner of Shooters Lane. This is my daughter, Abby.
Hello.
Right. So Abby would like to take some time to introduce children, other kids her age, she's 7, to gun safety and talk about firearms. So anyway, welcome Abby to our YouTube channel. All right, so.
Okay, kids. My name is Abby. I'm 7 years old, and I'm going to shoot a gun today. Come on me. Here's my gun looks like. And whenever you shoot it, you don't want to point at people or animals. But your older one, you shoot at animals.
Yeah, we're going to shoot at targets or animals. Today we're shooting at targets. We're not hunting today, are we?
No.
Okay, and what do we talk about?
Okay.
The first thing before we ever shoot, what do we always talk about?
Look in your gun in case it has a bullet in it. I'm going to see I have a bullet. Nope, no bullet.
Okay.
See
Why
this?
don't you go ahead and...
See this?
All right. Do you know what kind of gun you have? You don't remember the name of it? It's the Savage Rascal.
It's Savage Rascal.
You've had it for a couple of years now.
Huh?
You've had it for a couple of years now, right?
I had it a couple of years ago. It is supposed to be for my birthday, but it comes later in Christmas.
When you're how old?
5 years old.
Okay.
I need to talk with you kids. I know some of you guys was moments about in January about the gun shooting.
February, Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day time?
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's time? The best way to be safe is for a bad guy? A bad guy?
What are you trying to say?
A bad guy?
It's a gun.
A gun makes a good guy with a gun.
What does Daddy always say? What stops a bad guy with a gun?
What stops a bad guy with a gun is a good person with a gun. My daddy's one of good persons. I have one of my friends in preschool. He used to work with his dad. And also we kids would even also the best way to hide somewhere have a best area you think you have. If your teacher's out of a room, you have to lock the door, but you guys all just walking in, who can come in. But if you hear a knock, don't answer that door when it's a hard lockdown.
Why would you have a hard lockdown in school?
In case you have a bad guy coming.
Okay.
That is a soft lockdown. That means that somebody's outside. 22. This right here, you can go. This is a bullet thing. When it comes out, I have a bullet question, okay?
What do you want kids to know about safety?
Okay, safety. Do you see this thing right here? This thing here? Okay, let me get it closer. See it here? You click. This is a safety button. This when you shoot, okay?
Yeah, you don't. There you go. Well,
see?
When it shows red, it means what?
Safety on.
No, but red means fire.
Fire.
When the red's covered up, it means the safety's on. Okay.
Anyway.
Yeah, and anytime we shoot, what do we have? Ear protection and eye protection.
Eye protection and ear protection, okay?
What are you going to have for ear protection? Show me your ear protection.
Here's your ear protection. You guys maybe will get a big circle thing and goes over your head.
It's called an earmuff.
Earmuff? But it gets too small. Ask your dad to buy you that or this.
Earplugs?
Earplugs. When I got super little for it, my daddy buy me these earplugs. These are like it looks like. Here's my safety glasses. It's pink. For the Target, we have duct tape. And let me show you how to load your stuff. You have this button.
Okay, that's your bolt. Okay, remember that's your bolt?
That's my bolt.
Hey, and where do we face the gun? Which way does the gun face?
This way to not point at people.
Or anywhere. Let's be safe, like towards a house, building, or whatever, correct?
Okay. Okay, kids, this is my eye testing, and this is my ear testing. The best way when you shoot not the best way to shoot, is when you have your heel down. You want your heel up, because when you shoot, you don't want to point at a person, okay? Or anything. You just want to shoot it at the target, okay? I don't have my headband on in 1 minute. Okay, wait. Okay, this is the way. This is how you close it and open it. Safety is on right now, okay? Right, Daddy? I'm putting my bullet in. Now you do it like this.
Oh, you're...
I'm a little happy because my hair's getting in my face. I passed this a couple of times. I almost made 3 shots at the target, okay? Let's see how I do this time. Okay, you put it like this. You put it like that. Then, let me get my eye, okay?
Can we do the safety for you? You got it. Okay, I'll get it for you real quick. It's fine. All right, pretty good shot. You want to go show everybody what our target looks like?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go.
This is my target. Look, I hit it right here, 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 and here. This one, I almost shoot this. Guys, you want to do this? Do it, okay? I'm going to hit this soon, okay? When I hit it, when I get super close around it, or on it, Daddy takes me to ice cream.
Oh, I will. Okay, I will make that promise. I didn't know I was doing that, but okay, I agree with you.